What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike FX speaking, and we're back again with another video. This is our weekly review. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys had a profitable week. Hope you guys are still at it. Hope you guys are working, pushing, and making money. Right. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Um, we'll be looking at some of the trades we took during the week. Follow up from our analysis video that we uploaded. I think it was Sunday or Monday. We'll be talking about some of the setups we were looking at, how they played out, and where we took advantage and when we did not. So we'll kind of review our weekly trades, right? So I hope you guys have a great week. Please don't forget to like the video. Please make sure that you like the video, subscribe, click that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop another video. And please leave a comment below in the comment section and tell me some of the trades you are looking at. Tell me the page that you're interested in, and tell me as I'll be doing my analysis video. I think it's tomorrow. I'll be dropping the analysis video. Tell me which pair you'd like me to analyze and kind of look at, right? So let's just get straight into it and not make this video longer than it should be, right? So on EURUSD, we talked about a nice push to the upside, breaking these highs, nice push, and we're expecting price to come corrective to test these areas and kind of take advantage of that next impulse move to the upside, right? So we got our nice correction there, but as we see, price kind of impulsed down, and I was not looking to buy anything here because, as you can see, our corrective structure was broken here and we came to this level, didn't get any rejection. As you can see, price started dropping and I was not looking to sell EURUSD, so I just let this one slide, right? So if you sold EURUSD, you must have been a really happy man. So with EUJ, on EURUSD, we talked about price approaching a very strong level of support there, and we saw price coming down. I told you guys that we could potentially expect some bullish movements from UJ for the coming week, right? And I was looking for price to start giving me corrective structures for me to execute on my trades, right? So we saw price coming down impulsively down there. As it was coming down here, it was very impulsive, and we started to see price lose momentum, making lower highs, lower lows, kind of becoming a bit messy. We saw price break our structure somewhere here, but I was kind of skeptical about it. I didn't want to enter here because I knew that it was going to be messy. If you enter here, maybe your stops are going to get waked, and we are not at our level of support. So I wanted price to confirm to me that we are really bullish now. So I waited for price to break these highs or even these ones. So I marked up my level of resistance there. I think you'll see this pattern much clearer, much clearer on the 15-minute, right? As you can see, we went from our downtrend to kind of ranging in this consolidation phase, and I was waiting for price to break highs and come for a retest before I was ready to break these highs, right? There's areas of resistance and turn into support before I can buy, right? And we got that, and I executed on my buys as soon as I saw rejections down there. Executed my buy, and as if you can see, my take profit was at a very strong level of support there. This is our most recent support or resistance. After this one, this was a 90% rule, but it was kind of when we reached this point, I locked in. I was at break even. and then my overall profits were up there. So that was a very, very nice trade on UJ, right? So let's move on and take a look at let's just look at US30 first. My laptop is a bit slow, so please bear with me. Let's just go to the 15. So on US30, I went at length trying to show you guys that price is now not making those huge impulsive moves to the upside. So really buying US30 was gonna be a little bit tricky this week, because I explained, if you've not seen that video, again, please click the link and watch that video. You'll understand what I'm talking about here. And so I waited for price to break our level of support and kind of retest and then just shoot to the 90%. Unfortunately, I didn't take this trade. I was just monitoring it, but as you can see, our analysis played out fairly well. We saw US30 drop heavily this week, so that was it. I didn't really execute on it. I was just looking at it. I saw price consolidating in this area. I saw this drop, but I just didn't take it because I wasn't trading US30 that time. I was kind of focused on NASDAQ. So US30 trade played out fairly well. And NASDAQ, right? You guys, NASDAQ. NASDAQ. NAS100 was a bit tricky for me this week. It was a bit tricky for me this week. Made some couple of mistakes, but let's just talk about what happened this week, right? So when I recorded that video, price was somewhere around here. We saw this. I'm not sure where price was exactly, but we talked about a very probable sell that was gonna happen probably this week. If you've not watched that video, please click the link and watch that video. We talk about that sell that was going to happen. If you go on the 1 hour, you'll see why we were looking for that sell. You can see price was moving very correctively at our highs, giving us a rising wedge, if you can call it, this huge pattern there. So we talked about price having the possibility to really drop heavily. So we talked about a very short-term bias, bullish bias on NASDAQ, but we really said that you could really expect some bearish movements, right? So I didn't trade on Monday and Tuesday. I was just looking at the markets, but I wasn't trading. I'm not sure. I think I was busy with other things, right? But on Wednesday I saw a push to the upside. We created this high. Let me just go straight to the 5-minute, and maybe it'll be a bit clear. Okay, here it is. So on Wednesday, I kind of had a picture when I opened my charts. Price was somewhere up there, right? I saw price in this area, resistance. You can call this 1, 2, 3, and then 4 times. So I knew that it was gonna be hard for price to break this area today. So I started to put my sells as soon as I saw confirmation. As soon as I got confirmations down there, I put my sells in, and I was in on the sell, on the NASDAQ sell, and I actually shared this. I shared this trade with my signals group. I think I don't know if I have not decided if I'll let some more people in, but if you want to be in on that group, please just go to my Instagram and just DM me on my Instagram, and I'll put you on that group completely free, and you can see the setups that I share every single day whenever I take trades, mostly on NASDAQ. So we took this sell here, and yeah, it went straight into profit same time. We kind of went out, I don't know, maybe somewhere there, yeah. But as soon as price started to reject and break highs, I was out of this one, and I saw price rejecting this area again here, and price came down, and I started to buy, right? I started to buy because I was still anticipating price to come up to those areas. I don't want to go back to the 1 hour, but to come up to those areas first before dropping. I knew we were gonna drop, but I thought today we were gonna test those areas. So I entered with my buys, got my profits. I just didn't close there, could have closed there on my high, but I got a bit greedy and I didn't lock profits at break even. So this one kind of hit my stop loss, but my members closed at break even with this one. So we got that huge sell on Nasdaq on Wednesday, and man, could have been a part of that sell. As you can see, price just melted, bro. Melted all the way to the upside, all the way to the downside, right? And then on Thursday Thursday was really simple. I was looking at something very simple. Previous resistance or previous support, sorry, now turned into a resistance, right? Previous support turned into resistance, but as you can see, price didn't respect that area, broke, retest, and then just shot up. I didn't want to enter on this retest. I was just like, no, it's done for the day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, but could have been a nice trade, this one. So I didn't want to get too greedy with it, so I just set it out. So that was it on Wednesday or on Thursday. And then on Friday, yeah, Friday, Friday, we saw this nice push to these areas here, and then price dropping, right? Dropping massively, drop, and then we saw price come to these areas again, and did one, it dropped. So price came again at 3:30, and I saw a nice rejection there. If you can look closely, I saw a very nice rejection there, which is our confirmation here, which is rejection candle and some momentum to the downside. So very beautiful entry there, and unfortunately it did not go our way, and we took our 1% loss right on Friday, and it was it. I was done. I was not looking for more bullish movements. So that was kind of it on Nasdaq. Wasn't the best day, wasn't the best week, but yeah, we'll come back, man. We'll come back strong. So thank you guys for tuning in. I don't want to make this video longer than it should be. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment. We'll see each other in the next one. Much love.